Elevate your content creation and exploration with a top-tier drone that effortlessly merges performance and pleasure. Whether you're a filmmaker aiming to add cinematic brilliance to your work or a travel vlogger seeking a fresh perspective, the perfect drone can be your ideal companion. In this video, we break down the best cheap drone with camera on the market for this year based on price, performance, and situations they'll be used in. So if you're interested in finding out which drone will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comments section which drone you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. Lenovo Z908 Pro Max Drone. The Lenovo Z908 Pro Max Drone, your ultimate companion for professional aerial photography and videography. This sleek and powerful drone is packed with features that will elevate your footage to new heights, whether you're a seasoned content creator or a hobbyist looking to capture stunning visuals. The Z908 Pro Max boasts an 8K HD dual camera setup with a 150 degrees electric adjustment, allowing you to capture every detail from multiple angles. It even offers upside-down shooting for those unique perspectives. With its advanced optical flow and obstacle avoidance technology, this drone ensures a stable and safe flight, even in complex environments. Controlling the Z908 Pro Max is effortless with its intuitive 2.4 GHz 6-channel remote. Whether you're performing a 360 degrees roll, adjusting the camera angle, or activating headless mode, the controls are at your fingertips. The drone's Wi-Fi signal provides real-time image transmission up to 5,600 meters, allowing you to see exactly what your drone sees. With up to 46 minutes of flight time, the Z908 Pro Max lets you explore and capture longer without interruption. And when you're done, simply fold it up and store it in the compact storage bag. Whether you're heading to a remote location or just want to keep your gear organized, this drone is designed for convenience. Ready to take your aerial photography to the next level? The Lenovo Z908 Pro Max Drone is your ticket to capturing breathtaking, professional quality footage. Elevate your vision and let your creativity soar. S188 HD Dual Camera RC Drone. The S188 GPS RC Drone, a high-performance drone designed for professional aerial photography and seamless operation. Equipped with a 4K HD dual camera, this drone offers electric control and a 180 degrees adjustable lens, making it ideal for capturing breathtaking views from multiple angles. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the S188 drone brings advanced features like GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity to ensure a smooth flying experience. The S188 drone is packed with cutting-edge technology, starting with its GPS positioning function. This feature allows for one-click return, automatic return when the battery is low, and even return if the drone goes out of control. The dual cameras, combined with the optical flow fixed height mode, ensure stable, high-quality footage. With four-sided obstacle avoidance, the drone navigates safely, even in challenging environments. Its 6-channel gyroscope offers precise control, allowing for smooth movements in all directions, making it easy to operate, even for beginners. Connected via a 5G Wi-Fi system, the S188 drone offers real-time transmission for both photography and video. You can also enjoy additional features like emergency stop, trajectory flight, and intelligent follow mode. The remote control's 180 degrees adjustable front lens gives you a comprehensive view, while the speed gear allows for easy switching between slow and fast modes. The drone also includes a headless mode function, making it easier to control without worrying about its orientation. With a rechargeable remote control and built-in LED night lights, flying this drone is both fun and efficient, day or night. The S188 drone is designed for portability. Its foldable arms and wind blades reduce the drone's volume, making it easy to carry around. With a battery capacity of 7.4 volt 1600 mAh, you can enjoy up to 22 minutes of flight time after a quick 60 to 80-minute charge. The drone operates at a remote control distance of up to 2,000 meters, with a height range of 300 meters, giving you plenty of space to explore and capture stunning aerial shots. S136 Max GPS Foldable Drone. The S136 Max GPS Drone, a top pick for aerial photography enthusiasts and tech-savvy creators alike. The S136 Max boasts an impressive 4K HD dual camera setup. With a 90-degree adjustable front lens, you can capture stunning, high-resolution footage from various angles. Its 5G Wi-Fi connection ensures smooth real-time transmission and precise control. The drone's GPS positioning allows for one-touch returns, making it easy to recover in case of low power or signal loss. Plus, the 360-degree obstacle avoidance system helps navigate around obstacles with ease. This drone offers versatile flight options. You can easily switch between speeds and modes, including headless mode for effortless control. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures stable flight, whether you're moving up, down, or sideways. The S136 Max also supports intelligent follow and one-button surround features, enhancing your shooting capabilities. With a remote control range of up to 3,000 meters and a battery life of 18 minutes, it's perfect for extended shooting sessions. The S136 Max is designed for convenience. Its foldable arms and blades make it compact and easy to carry. With its rechargeable controller and built-in LED lights for night flights, this drone is ready for any adventure. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich drone, the S136 Max is definitely worth considering. Potensic ATOM 4K Camera Drone. The Potensic ATOM, a compact, high-performance drone that's redefining the world of aerial photography. The Potensic ATOM is incredibly lightweight, weighing less than 249 grams. Its palm-sized design means no FAA or remote ID registration is required, making it hassle-free to take along on any adventure. Its foldable and compact structure ensures it fits easily into your bag, perfect for travel and spontaneous flights. Equipped with a Sony CMOS sensor and a 12MP camera, the ATOM delivers stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. Thanks to its 3-axis brushless gimbal, your footage will be impressively smooth and stable, even in level 5 windy conditions. Say goodbye to shaky shots and hello to cinematic quality. With upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology, the ATOM boasts a robust transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. Its intuitive remote control provides a seamless flying experience, giving you the confidence to maneuver with ease and precision. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, control is at your fingertips. The ATOM comes packed with creative features to enhance your filming. Its visual tracking and quickshots modes, including pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, offer endless possibilities for dynamic and engaging content. Capture unique angles and perspectives with ease, making every shot a masterpiece. Enjoy extended flight sessions with the intelligent 2,330 mAh battery, providing up to 32 minutes of flight time. For added peace of mind, the ATOM features enhanced GPS capabilities and an auto-return function. Simply tap on your phone, and the drone will safely return to its takeoff point. The Potensic ATOM combines portability, advanced technology, and creative versatility in one sleek package. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or creating cinematic videos, the ATOM is your ultimate companion in the sky. FIMI MINI 3 4K Drone. The FIMI MINI 3, a compact powerhouse that's changing the game in drone technology. The FIMI MINI 3 captures breathtaking 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivering ultra-smooth and highly detailed footage. Thanks to its Sony 48MP half-an-inch sensor, every shot is clear and vibrant, even in challenging lighting conditions. When the sun sets, the AI Super Night video feature takes over. With an advanced AI ISP chip, it provides a 400% improvement in signal-to-noise ratio compared to previous models. Plus, the upgraded 3-axis gimbal ensures stable and shake-free footage, even in strong winds or high-speed maneuvers. The FIMI MINI 3 boasts an impressive 9 km transmission range with its dual-band SO-Link system. This means real-time HD video streaming with minimal latency. Weighing just 250 grams, its ultralight and foldable design makes it easy to transport and fly anywhere. Equipped with a USB Type-C fast-charging battery, the Mini 3 charges quickly and efficiently. Its strong wind resistance, thanks to advanced motors and propellers, ensures safe flying in various conditions. The FIMI MINI 3 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a top choice for any drone enthusiast. Discover more and elevate your aerial adventures with the FIMI MINI 3.